All right, we're back on Long Lake. We tried it last night. Pretty much got skunked. We caught one little crappie. There it is. We didn't get skunked. We're that good. But I saw one bass chase my jerkbait up. Maybe 2 other bites. That was it. We were here for 3 hours last night. So trying again. Maybe they want to eat at lunch. I did try a different, like more of a white jackhammer chatterbait that I have. Didn't get anything on it. So if we don't get anything on it today, we might try this green pumpkin one. But we will start with the chatterbait. I saw some fish schooling yesterday. It was really windy, kind of like today, even windier. So that's the jackhammer we're using. Just saw some schooling bass ahead. Right over there. Couldn't get any bites. Casting right in the blow-ups. Couldn't get anything. Water temp was up to 57 last night. What it is right now. Yeah, 57. Another warm day, 72 degrees, 75 degrees right now. Day before Halloween. Crazy weather. Working a lot of bait. 17, 18 feet of water. Another good one, 4.5 pounder. Maybe 5. Looks like 5 to me. Been here 9.5 minutes. That is a fat 5 pounder, I'm thinking. Took good in the top lip. Belly so stuffed. Bluegills. 20.25 inches. Yep, 20.25. We're gonna go with 5.35, seems fair. 5, almost 5.5 pounder. Gonna put it in the live well. I'm only gonna be out here an hour. So we'll see if we can get a couple. I can't beat that for getting confidence in this different color. Didn't work yesterday, but works today. And that was casting kind of onto the point. I was in about 18 feet of water, working it off the point when it hit. Now we're blowing way past it. Working a lot of bait all around this point. Can't believe I can't get them working it really deep. Like the big one last time came when I cast up shallow when I was working it off of the point. They were waiting for it. Smacked it. I've been working this chatterbait pretty slow most of the time lately. Let it sink all the way to the bottom, watch my line go slack, and then give a little tug, get it started, and then just work it real slow, little twitches. Sometimes I let it drop down back to the bottom. But I'm working it pretty slow because it's not a very heavy one. And even when I cast up shallow, I let it sink to the bottom real slow and try to keep it working in near the bottom for a few feet. It's easy for them to rise up. So that's what I've been doing. I don't just cast it out real fast like spinnerbait. recently have been in 12, 10 feet or less. Seems like maybe the big bass that are active are moving up, eat the bluegill up shallow, and then they go out deep. I'm not catching anything deep by these giant balls of bait. So we're gonna try the gray spinner bait. Fish up a little shallower, see if we can get something to bite that way. Looks a bit like a bluegill, size and color, somewhat. This one's a little darker. I don't use a trailer on my spinnerbaits. I use a trailer hook, but never a trailer. Maybe that's a bad idea. That's how I've always done it. Just missed a hit. Good hit. Chatterbait. Another one fish day, I think. Another one fish day. That's okay, I didn't promise it. Hey, we caught two bonus fish. Last 10 minutes. Not as big as the other one. 4.5 pounds. Didn't even check to see if he was a keeper. Try the spinnerbait a few times. But we'll flip the boat. Would have been a big one. 18 inches, right on. I'm a spinnerbait. I love spinnerbait. I knew I had a bite earlier. We don't have much time left. Oh, what do we got? Yep, 3.10. That other one was a keeper. We might have 10 pounds for 3 fish. Five minutes left. Good. Gotta come at lunch. Alright, James Day. Watches my videos, subscribes, comments sometimes, so he finally met me out here. I've had a few people meet me on the lake, so. I gotta take off, so not a bad hour trip, and we'll maybe make it back out this week one more time. I don't know, we got Halloween tomorrow and weather, so hopefully we'll get out this week. All right, thanks for watching, James, and all the rest of you. All right, have a good day. We almost forgot about the live well, but we don't put him in the live well because we never do. So he's now moved by the launch.